Based on our last site visit, so we found that our pond was flooded due to the soil around it stagnating and become clay. So after that, boys members remove the water and take out the canvas from pond. They also remove the hollow bricks and will dig into new shape of pond. While they remove the water, I take used tires to be used as a planter box and fill the soil into it. Then I transplant Portulaca oleracea variegate from poly bag into direct soil. This flower has bright color which can be habitat and food source because bright flowers provide nectar and pollen for beneficial insects like ladybugs, lacewings, and parasitic wasps, which help control pest populations by preying on harmful insects. In the end of the day, watering the plant and wash the tools before leaving the site. On the next day, we focus on maintenance of pond. Boys members handle it together, while I and Hazika will transplanting 3 species of plants, which is Cosmos caudatus, Clitoria ternatia, and Ginura pseudocina varhispida. Before transplanting, I will staking for Clitoria ternatia. Staking will help for climber plants and optimizing garden space by using vertical space effectively allows gardeners to grow more plants in a limited area. This is particularly beneficial in small gardens or urban settings. Then I plant the Clitoria ternatia. Clitoria ternatia or bunga telang help for the pollinator attraction, which is the bright flowers attract pollinators such as bees and butterflies, which are crucial for the pollination of many other plants in the garden. This enhances overall garden's biodiversity and productivity. Then I am watering the plant to ensure that the roots make good contact with the surrounding soil, which helps anchor the plant securely in its new location. Lastly, I put the sawdust by covering the soil surface. Sawdust creates a physical barrier that prevents weed seeds from reaching the soil. After a few days, I lose soil to improve air circulation within the soil, providing roots with the oxygen they need for respiration and nutrient uptake. And then I plant the Cosmos caudatus and Ginura pseudocina varhispida side of pond to prevent the soil erosions. Next, I transplant the seedlings of tomato into poly bag for suitable the environments before direct planting. So I put this so that the seedlings can get direct sunlight to do the photosynthesis. Next, I put the dry leaf as brown material composting that excellent source of carbon and will improve soil texture and aerations, make it easier for plant roots to grow and access water and nutrients. Many benefits if we use dry leaf at the gardens like microbial habitats. The decomposition of dry leaf promotes the growth and activity of beneficial soil microorganisms, which help break down organic matter and release nutrients. Other than that, dry leaf also can be a shelter for provide insect habitats such as ladybugs, ground beetles, and spiders, which help control pest populations. Lastly, in the end of the day, I add soil at planting area to avoid puddle can cause significant harms to plants by promoting root damage, nutrient deficiency,